So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle. The scientific name for this bird is Heliaetus leucoster. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. So these largest birds of prey can be found in the skies of Australia, Southeast Asia, India, and Sri Lanka.
Hindi alam ko saan sila nakikinood yung peacock sa taas.
Now, they mainly eat fish, sea snakes, small mammals, and turtles.
Jollibee ka.
So this bird can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. So white-bellied sea eagle, they can lay about 2 eggs, but only one can survive due to sibling rivalry.
Kaya niyang bababa. Uwi na siya. Ayoko bumaba. Masito siya. Ayun.
So round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver and Marina. Now let me introduce to you my partner here on stage, Mr. James, together with Marina, and also Mr. Oleg together with Silver. We also have here Indian peepals, and also our scarlet ibis. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity,